You have 600 yards of fencing to enclose a rectangular field. Express the area of the field A as a function of one of its dimensions, x. So I'd like to break this problem down into parts. In part 1, I have the rectangular field drawn, and we're asked to put one of its dimensions and label it as x. So I've called x the width. So we can put x here and here for the width, and I've chosen y for the length. So I'll put y on each length. Now, in step 2, we're given a little bit more information. We're told that we have 600 yards of fencing. So we know we have 600 yards of fencing, which means our perimeter around this rectangular box is equal to 600 yards. So the perimeter, I'll use P, equals 600. I can get the perimeter by taking 2 times x plus 2 times y. So I can say that 2 times x plus 2 times y is equal to 600. And I can simplify this equation by dividing each term on both sides by 2. And it simplifies to x plus y equals 300. And I could go one step further and I could solve it for y, and I could say that y is equal to 300 minus x. The reason I'm solving y in terms of x is because we're being asked to find a function in terms of x. So let's look at part 3 now. Well, in the problem, we're asked to express the area of this field. So we want to know the area of this field in terms of x. Well, if I look at my picture, the area of my rectangle is just the width times the length. So it's just x times y. And in my last step in part 4, I'm going to write the answer to this question. We want the area as a function of x. So for a, I'm going to write a of x so that I have function notation is equal to x times y, but I've already solved for y. I know that y is equal to 300 minus x. And I can distribute my x through. So I can say that a of x is equal to 300x minus x squared.